Welcome to TNR Sales and Sublet, where we're looking at park models today. This is a 2023 Elevation model 109. Let me verify that. Got two check marks. 5-109. That is correct. Unit number 1228. Let's take a walk around it. It's kind of a nice blue, heritage blue with white windows and white lineals. It's a triple axle step down trailer. It's a super loft, so it's got the tall loft. Got an auxiliary air conditioner up in the loft to keep the kiddies cool, or whoever goes up there, adults, kids. Got a little vertical siding for some gingerbread there. That's kind of cool. Elevation. The MSRP is just shy of 100,000. Without getting it right to the penny, it's just shy. 99 and some change. So let's go on in and see what makes this trailer so cool. They come fully furnished. What you see is what you're going to get. It's got a built-in fireplace, sleeper sofa, plank wood flooring, which is cool. Very nice flooring. Ceiling fan. Nice farm style sink. Two-tone cabinet. This table moves. As you can see, it rolls around. So you can put it wherever you want it, which is actually kind of nice. Comes with 4 stools. There's your entertainment center. There's your beach chairs. Nice 4-burner range. Microwave. All the drawers are on ball bearing drawer guides, full extension. A lot of the cabinetry will be adjustable. There's one of the shelves there. Adjustable. As you can see, there's a lot of cabinets in here. A lot of cabinets in here. Got a nice shower with the seat. 2 seats. I didn't notice that before. These Elevations got some pretty nice showers. 1-piece fiberglass tub surround with glass doors. There's the vanity. It's actually pretty cool there too. A lot of drawers. And then you got a linen cabinet over here with adjustable shelving behind the toilet here. But that's plenty of room for towels, linens, washcloths, you name it. There's lots of cabinets in the bedroom. There's cabinets beside the sink here. More adjustable shelving. Okay. Heading on into the master bedroom. That looks a lot like a king bed to me. It's got nightstands. One side there has a USB port. You got your electrical panel box here. Still got a lot of storage. Let me back up here. Reading lights. Drawers and doors. Big closets. Let's see what they look like inside. Nice closet rod. adjustable shelving, great big full extension drawers. The bed is not fixed, and neither are the end tables. So you put it how you want it. Okay, last but not least, that will lead us up to the loft. So let's go up there. The one in the right is the tall one. It's gonna be the 5-footer. Short people and kids can stand up here. These elevations always come with a couple cabinets. That's for anything you want to store up here. There's where the TV hookup is. And you can set it on that base there if you like. And the smaller loft is roughly queen sized. So might be a shade bigger than a queen. There's the steps leading down. And then this is definitely 8 by 12, 9 by 12, thereabouts, 8 by 12, 9 by 12. Plenty of room here too. All right, well, that's going to conclude my tour. Now I've got to take some nice photos. If you like my videos, go ahead and hit like and subscribe, and you won't miss any more. They're getting a lot of trailers in here, and I'm going to film a lot of trailers here. This is T&R Sales and Sublet. They sell a lot of things besides park models. There goes one of their golf carts by now. Picking up for the day. But anyhow, this is a 2023 Elevation, and it's a nice looking trailer. It's here in Sublet. I get you the model number one last time. It's a model 5-109 $99,975 MSRP. Thanks for looking.